This one is take up and the fader control board. This one is 24 power, give the board. This one, 1, 3. This one is feeder motor. Then this one let feed motor stop. This one is to change the feeder clock running or on clock running to check different direction. This one is a sensor. For take up, we do not use this one. We use this one here. This one is for take up. This one is the forward. This one is reward. They have 2 switch here, backside, for the feeder. This one is change the manual, auto. This one is auto. This one is manual. This one is off. This one, the roller this side, this direction. This side, move back side. For different media. When the detect media is stopped, this is auto. And the sensor, the distance can be adjusted from here. From here can be adjusted. Distance can be adjusted. Now we install media. We use 2 hands to let it loose. Okay. Okay. For hard media like this one, we only use this roller and push down and rotation motor. And downside, connect here. Take up. If for the soft media like soft film, fabric. We use media like this one. Like this one, and take up, and take up. For different media, different method.